What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to clean your white shoelaces. So now I have pretty white shoelaces and very dirty shoes. I love my Hokas. I go walking with them everywhere, especially on a lot of dirt and muddy trails. So as you can see, they definitely need a good clean. First, I'm just starting off by taking out the shoelaces so that I can give them a good clean. And this is the method that I use to clean these Hokas because they are mostly mesh. I don't clean every shoe this way, but I will link below how I clean other type of leather shoes and things like that. So I'm just dry brushing them first to get all the excess dirt off, which will make it a lot easier when it comes to cleaning them. Then what you want to do is fill up a bucket, container, your sink, or whatever you want to soak your shoes in. And we're going to be using the OxiClean White Revive and just 1 scoop of it into the water. And then you want to make sure that you mix it up so that it gets fully dissolved. Then you want to fully submerge your shoes into the water, and you probably want to put something heavy on top so that it stays under the water really well. I just used 2 different lids that I have to my pots, and you want them to soak for 6 hours. Then I just drained out all of the dirty water and gave my shoes a good scrub with the soft brush. After that, you want to toss your shoes in the washer. I have these shoe protecting bags that I really like to use because I just feel like they help keep my shoes safe while they are in the washer. You want to make sure that you are using cold water and then use your regular detergent and then another cupful of the White Revive. And here is the end results. My Hokas look brand new and I love it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Leave me some comments below if you want me to clean anything else. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.